Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Fantasy Premier League with FPL Wizard. Since we all need budget enablers to complete our teams, in this video, we will have a look at the budget enablers and analyze their chances of getting some game time. Starting with the goalkeepers, we have Nyland and Jet Steer of Aston Villa, who are both 4 million. Since Tom Heaton is injured and won't be able to make it in time for the start of the season, one of these two keepers will be starting for Aston Villa. Last season, after Heaton got injured, he was replaced by Jet Steer, but unfortunately he got injured as well, giving Nyland his chance. I think it would be interesting to see the preseason games of Aston Villa, giving us a chance to have a 4 million starting keeper in FPL. Other than that, there is not much to see in the 4 million category. Peacock Farrell is the backup keeper of Burnley since Joe Hart left for Spurs. If Pope gets injured, he could become a decent option as well. Also, if anyone gets Nick Pope later in the season on their wildcard, it would be a good idea to get Peacock Farrell as your backup keeper. Last but not the least, how can I not mention our beloved David Button, who has such high ownership without starting a single game last season. Moving on to the defenders, I think Johnson of West Ham is an interesting one because he got some starts at the end of last season and is continuing at right back in pre-season as well. I think it would be a good idea to keep an eye out for the West Ham pre-season games and see whether Fredericks is injured or not, and if Fredericks is injured, I think Johnson has a good chance of starting. Another 4 million defender getting some game time at the end of last season and also in pre-season is Branthwaite, but to be honest, I don't see him starting if Keane, Mina and Holgate are fit. Neco Williams is the backup for Trent Alexander-Arnold, and until now Alexander-Arnold has not played any game in pre-season, so it could be one to watch out for. But he is a short-term option and also blocks one very important Liverpool spot in your team. Next is Bernardo of Brighton, who scored 21 FPL points last season and played 675 minutes. He is not going to start unless there are injuries in that Brighton defense. The last one is Ferguson, the 4 million option signed from West Brom. He's the one everybody has in their teams as the budget enabler and expected him to start due to lots of injuries in the Palace defense. Looking at the preseason games, however, he hasn't started. So not many interesting options in defense either, but Johnson is the one to watch out for. Moving on to midfield, Anguissa of Fulham seems like a good option at 4.5 million. He was on loan at Villarreal and played 39 games for them, scoring 2 goals and providing 2 assists. It would be a good idea to see whether he starts in preseason games. Next is Bissouma of Brighton. He played around 1200 minutes last season and got 39 FPL points. Dale Stephens, our most reliable 4.5 million midfielder, might not be so nailed on this season as Brighton have signed Lallana as well. Let's see how they line up in pre-season to make an assessment of their midfield. Another good option at 4.5 million is Oriol Romeu of Southampton. If he can stay injury free, I think he is nailed on to start every game. With an injury to Patrick Van Aanholt, we all expected the 4 million defender Mitchell to get the nod. But instead, Riedewald has started in the left back spot in pre-season games and he is a safe pick up until Patrick Van Aanholt is fit again. There are 3 similar midfield options, McCarthy, Alzate and Nakamba. They all got over 1000 minutes for their teams, but none of them is nailed on to start. Another couple of midfielders to keep an eye on is Gordon of Everton and Smallbone of Southampton. Since Everton are in talks to sign Allen from Napoli, it would make any chances of Gordon starting negligible. Now let's move on to the most uninspiring enabler category, forwards. The first option is Ryan Brewster of Liverpool. He has started the preseason very brightly, scoring 3 goals in 2 games, and if he moves to another Premier League club on loan, he could be an interesting option. Next is Connor Wickham. He was injured for most of the last season, but he did get to play 90 minutes, in which he scored 1 goal and provided 1 assist. The last option is Keenan Davis of Aston Villa. He played around 500 minutes last season, scoring no goals and providing just 1 assist. So this time the budget enabler category is very uninspiring and there are no hidden gems like Aaron Van Bissaka. But summing up our analysis, in goalkeeping, Nyland and Steer are ones to watch because one of them will start. In defense, Johnson and Branthwaite are the ones to watch out for. In midfield, we have Anguissa of Fulham, the Brighton players, Romeu and Riedewald. In the forwards category, just for the sake of it, we mentioned Brewster and Davis. So this was all about the budget enablers and I hope we get some more information after watching the preseason games. If you want to win your favorite Premier League jersey customized with your name, join the League of Wizards by using the join code on the screen or auto join link in the description. The entry to the league is absolutely free, and the only condition is that you should be subscribed to the channel. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you would never miss a new video again. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.